What's Top and Guy back with another banger video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert an image file to a PDF. So right off the bat, let's get going. So you see that link below the paragraph that's my description. Well, I would like you to click it, right, in order to get to where we're going. And we're going to get to the download page, and it's going to say free image to PDF converter for Windows. Right, and you can read the terms of service and privacy policy. That if you want to use this done down here, you gotta click the checkbox, right, to show that you read the terms of service and privacy policy. And this program does contain ads, right? That's how I'm making some money off this. And you can click download now, or you can look at the description. Now we're just gonna click download now. And you can just click download and open this in your downloads folder. Now, I know I'm using Linux, but this program is 100% compatible with Windows. I promise I've made it compatible with Windows. Okay, so you just want to click download, and I'm going to meet you in the downloads folder, okay? So this is my downloads folder. Again, I'm using Linux, not Windows, so it's going to look a bit different, but it should still be the same concept. So this is the program right here, image to PDF. And what I want you to do is I want you to click it 2 times. And as you can see, we've got a very sleek, nice UI. There's not a million buttons. It's really, really simple to use. And you're just going to want to take a picture of your choice. And you can take the picture from any folder. It doesn't matter what folder the picture is in, as long as you drag it into here. So just drag it into here. And as you can see, we've got the name. And we just want to click convert to PDF. Now here's where the important thing comes in. You can name the first part of the image anything you want, but the last part must be named .pdf. So we're going to name this one noodle.pdf, right? You see here I got a name I want, and then we got .pdf. And we're just going to hit save, right? And as you can see, it says PDF saved successfully. We just want to click OK. And it's going to open up an ad, like I said, right? We're just going to open up an ad right here. Alright, I'm just showing you what you got into, and then you can just close the ad, of course, right? We only show you one ad per PDF. Now, to show you that I'm not lying, I'm going to show you the unaltered image first. And as you can see, we got this beautiful doggo here. And then if you come over here and click on noodle.pdf, as you can see, voila, it's going to transformed into a PDF. Now, anyways, if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.